Yo guys, what's up? Here today looking at the thinkorswim mobile application and a little review on some of the features and how it works. When you initially open the app, you come right into this account overview. Very useful screen. You can see balances, positions, summary, order summary, messages, news, TV, and also a little chat feature. A little bit of a social interaction with others. It's okay. I've used it a little bit. First thing we'll look at is we'll go into the balances. So you can see the balances available for trading. You can see the commissions paid year to date, equity. You can see margin balances, if you have anything on margin. You can have short balances, things that are shorted. So this is a pretty good screen just to summarize your account. You can see everything that's going on. It's kind of nice. Now you could either hit the back button at the bottom or you can hit these lines up here on the side. So they also have a watch list. This is really nice. I have this little watch list set up. A lot of these things I've traded before. You can see I don't have them all in my account currently, but these are some tickers that I've looked at in the past. You can see what positions you have open, what's been filled, canceled, saved, whatnot. Your positions. Some of these are in the money now. So go check out my other videos on how to manage things in the money, options in the money. Also, GoEV, I just made another video on that, and how bullish I am on that stock, so go check that out. That's pretty cool. You can see alerts. You can set up alerts. Trading that has been triggered, orders, I'm sure margin calls and stuff would be in there, transfers. So this is a unique app. You can do checks, you can deposit checks directly into your brokerage. It's kind of like a little checking account and stuff. You can do to and from, you can ACH. It takes a normal 3 days or so to get funds moved around. I'm pretty impressed. You can go to the chat rooms. Like I said before, it's kind of like the social aspect of thinkorswim. Yeah, it's okay. You can see the messages. The calendar is super useful, right? Go to let's go to the March 2nd. You can see there's a bunch of earnings that are coming up. Lumber liquidators, C Limited, Target. So this is super useful if you're going to be doing earnings plays. You can see what's going on. That is one of my favorite features on here. It's all consolidated into one place. Can't beat it. So back to the account overview. You can see kind of the account overview. Now some of the executions are pretty good for speed. The cost is not bad for commissions. I'll go over that in a minute. So overall, it's a pretty good deal. You don't always get the best price, but you do get a pretty good price. Let me switch over and we'll go over some of the commissions. Okay, you can see here, pricing. Award-winning investing experience, now commission-free, with some caveats. Okay, so stocks online, $0. So perfect, I love that. Commission-free, everybody's doing it. Got to be competitive. If you're going to phone it in, which I don't know the last time I did a phone-assisted trade or a broker-assisted trade, it's been years. It's been a long time. Anyway, they still have that option available if you want to. So you can see some of these fees, right? Okay, ETFs, commission-free, online, broker-assisted over the phone, same kind of deal. Mutual funds. Okay, there's no load fee, which it seems kind of high to me. I don't do a lot of mutual fund trading, so I'm not really sure. Anyway, that's the fee. Options, I do a lot of trading. $0 and 65 cents fee per contract. So they used to charge like a fee of like $2, $5 for an options trade. Didn't matter how many it was, and then you'd pay also an additional fee per contract. But now they just got rid of the flat fee, and they just charge per contract. The fee's a little higher. So it's okay. Exercises and assignments. So this one, if you get exercised or assigned, $0. Now, like for example, TradeStation charges you like $15, and that's ridiculous. TradeStation really needs to step up their game. If you guys want to see me compare this app to TradeStation or one of the other apps, let me know. There are a couple features that are better on other apps than some apps, so you just got to be wary of where you're trading and what you're going to get charged. I'm more apt to let exercises and assignments happen here than TradeStation, for example, but it still happens. So you can see broker assisted phone in option. It's all there. Okay, so yep, CDs, bonds, futures. I can't say I've done a lot of this on this app. So they also do Forex, which I don't do a lot of, but I do have a little Forex account. Maybe I'll cover that in another video. But overall, the fees are a pretty good fee structure here. So not bad. I do like it. One of the other things that I wanted to go over here, I'm going to do a quote. Let's go to AT&T. You can see there's charting. Now these charts are pretty good. I do like the desktop charting on thinkorswim a lot better than the mobile app. There's just a lot more detail. You can do a lot more. You can see the MACD I have up here. I do like using the MACD as one of my indicators on whether a stock's going to be going up or down shorter term. Longer term, don't use it as much, but there's a lot of different options you can see. You can change that. And yeah, it's pretty good overall, right? You got the news feed. I like that. It's pretty good. Not as good as some other news feeds if you have, but it's not bad. You can see here you can have the IV rank, percent volatility, and the expected move, right? So over this next 2 days, there's an expected move of AT&T of plus or minus 40 cents, basically. So you're not going to get a lot of premium for that. So you can see 8 cents if you want to sell a put. Not real great. Up here, it's a little bit better. It's 22% volatility, plus or minus $1.20. So you probably collect a little more premium. Collect about 60 cents. And you can see you're about 51.84% chance of making money on that. So in some ways, this is pretty good. It's a lot like Tasty Trade. So if you guys want me to compare this to Tasty Trade, this app does a few things better. Tasty Trade does other things better. It's really a toss-up. Anyway, this is basically a few different things. If you guys are really into technical analysis, they have a lot of good charting things, so that's good. You can also see profiles. It's kind of cool. See where everything's at. Level 2 is more for day trading. I don't use that a whole lot, but I guess it's available. It's good to have. The main screens that I use are right here. I can trade options, and you can trade stocks right from this screen. You can hit the trade button. I have my preferences set up to go in lots of 100. So I can 200, 100, whatever. You can change the price. You just hit it on the bar. That's kind of useful, right? You can go towards the natural, or you can go towards the mid. Whatever you want to do. Hopefully you can get better executions. It's been kind of difficult to get it right at the mid price. I find just slightly below mid price. Although here's only 1 cent separation, so it's not bad. Alright guys, I think that pretty much wraps up my little review of this mobile app, thinkorswim. Overall, I think it's a pretty good trading platform. It might not be the best for beginners. It's a little more complicated than some of the other ones that I've looked at. I know TradeStation's pretty good. Tasty Trade is pretty good. So maybe I'll do a comparison video in the future. Let me know what you guys think of this thinkorswim app. I'll do a separate desktop platform review in a little while. And hopefully we all can make some money together. That'd be great. Subscribe to my channel for wealth building videos and more information on stocks, the daily options trade, that I go over a lot of options trades, some long-term videos that I'm looking at. Like, for example, GoEV is just one I just did a little review on, and I'm very bullish on that stock. So go check out that video. I know had a lot of press recently with changing CEOs and stuff like that. The earnings release. So anyway, thanks for watching.